The BlendyGo 3 Portable Blender is a unique device that combines the functionality of a standard blender with exceptional design and a compact, mobile construction. You can use it without any cables, comfortably at home, or enjoy a fresh smoothie after a workout, during a picnic, or while traveling. The blender operates wirelessly thanks to its built-in battery, providing up to 25 uses on a single charge. It charges via a USB-C port. BlendyGo 3 is also waterproof with an IPX7 rating and features powerful performance that allows it to crush ice, frozen fruits, and even nuts. After use, the blender can easily clean itself. The device's design is patented and truly one of a kind, with a body shape inspired by the spiral motif from the brand's logo. Weighing only 600 grams, its body is made from BPA-free materials. The entire construction is enclosed in a minimalist, matte-finished shell with an ergonomic form, available in multiple color editions. BlendyGo 3 is a perfect example of how technology and design can come together to create an everyday product that is portable, powerful, and beautifully designed, while representing a real step forward in the category of portable kitchen appliances.